Hey everyone, it's Nick with Save Your Plant, or as some of my customers know me, well, they only know me as a house gardener. So this is my messy ass greenhouse. Paint's chipping, windows are broken. Not broken, it's completely missing, but it doesn't matter. So I have my plants going. I have the lights set up. These are peppers. I started these in January when I entered rehab for drug and alcohol addiction. Mine was alcohol, and I'm happy to be sober. 54 days sober, and I decided what better thing to do but get back to my YouTube channel, make some videos, and let's clean this greenhouse up. So that's what this video is about. So as you can tell, complete mess. It's got stuff everywhere. So I need to build some shelves, obviously paint, as you can see. All the paint's just chipping. Now I didn't let this happen. This was already like this when I moved to this house. That's why I haven't done any videos for several years, because I was at a house. I just didn't have any space to really garden, except at my clients' houses. But it would be kind of weird for me to, do videos in their backyard. And then show them. And some of my clients are famous, and I can't even scratch my nose without their security watching me. So I kind of inherited this mess. I've been here for about 2 years, and I just kind of work with it, but I think it's time to, taped up window, refreshing this bad boy. So in my sobriety, I come up with projects, keep myself busy. Downtime is what's a killer for people that drink, is sitting around. I was like, oh, I just really out of here. So I went to Home Depot, so I'm craving. Sometimes I'm gonna go to Home Depot and get the stuff I need to get this all fixed up. So this is a preview. I'll do some photos of during in the process. Roof needs a little bit of work. This I did repair. There was actually no roof. It was just wide open. So this is just what do you call it? What's the name of this? Lexan sheets, plastic sheets. They're not clear, so I still have to use these grow lights. So they're filtering too much of the UV rays. My seeds are not getting what they need from this. So we're gonna get that fixed too. I don't know what I'm gonna put up. No, I do know what I'm gonna put up. It's expensive, but I'm gonna do it. That's what I got. Still got my compost tea brews rocking. Not much has changed. I'm still the same guy. I'm just 40 now. Not 20 something or 30, early 30 something. I even have a kid now. Go figure that out. Times change. Alrighty, well, that's my video. Check back in later.